Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on a BMW X3. This car have a problem. You can see here, lighting system control light turn indicator, brake light, dipper beam or other light function faulty. So lighting system have some problem. When I start car, headlight automatic on, you can see, and that's the problem. So today I will show you why this warning light came and what is the problem actually. So first I diagnosed with my diagnosis tool and I got fault. You can see everywhere there is a fault. In no message received from FRM, no message turn signal, FRM signal locking, window also not working. Everything is inside in FRM. See all those fault connect with FRM. If your car have same problem, you have to replace FRM control module. Okay.